Well, India has strongly criticized the United Nations Security Council for taking months to proscribe leaders of terror organizations that have already been banned by the UN. This comes on the back of China's blockade of India's move to designate Masood Azhar as a terrorist by the United Nations. Gaurav Sawant is now joining us with the very latest. Gaurav, India has for the second time quite openly criticized the UNSC for failing to proscribe terror chief Masood Azhar as a terrorist. Are we seeing any forward movement at all in this matter then?
China initially sought a technical hold for 6 months, then it was extended for another 3 months. You're well aware of this, Maha. Now for 9 months, India has been waiting for Masood Azhar to be designated a global terrorist so that funding to him and his organization can be checked. Now, India says it's very strange. Syed Akbaruddin, India's permanent representative to the United Nations, said it's very strange that the United Nations Security Council is having endless discussions and it's in a time warp, that they need to come out of these discussions and they need to be responsive to global conditions and situations, which unfortunately they are not. Now, India has very strongly criticized the United Nations and has called for reforms, and pointing this out, that this is one area which shows that the United Nations Security Council is unable to keep up with the times and respond to situations. Now, Masood Azhar, his organization Jaish-e-Mohammed, is a proscribed organization. It is a designated global terrorist organization, but its leader, Masood Azhar, is not. And one country, now there are 15 members in the Security Council, only one, China, is holding this back repeatedly, and this, India says, is a cause for serious concern.
The NSAs of both the countries, India and China, had met, last week itself. Gaurav, is there any information as to whether India was able to press upon China the need to remove that blockade on Masood Azhar?
Maha, India has repeatedly told China it's in China's interest, it is in global interest to ensure that terrorists are handled effectively. And this is not a political situation. This shouldn't be seen as a political situation between India and Pakistan. Masood Azhar is a terrorist. He's a terrorist who's tried to harm Pakistan's interests. He's tried to assassinate former Pakistan military dictator turned president Pervez Musharraf. He's carried out terrorist activities in Pakistan, and yet the current leadership in Pakistan refuses to take action against him, despite whether it's the Pathankot terror attack, the Uri terror attack, or before that, the attack on Parliament right behind me. It was blamed on Jaish-e-Mohammed, and yet it is one country, China, that itself is suffering at the hands of Pakistan-sponsored terror, is refusing to take action against Masood Azhar. So it is hope that China will see the light of day. India continues to press its point home.
Gaurav Sawant, many thanks for getting us those details. In India, yet again, telling the United Nations Security Council the need of designating Masood Azhar as a terrorist by the United Nations when his organization, JAM, is already declared a banned outfit.